Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Step Tutorials. Today, I'm showing you how to use the snipping tool in Windows, not just to take screenshots, but also to record your screen as a video. This tool is completely free and built right into Windows 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snipping Tool. Click the Start menu, type Snipping Tool, and hit Enter. This opens the new combined Snipping Tool app in Windows 11. Step 2. Choose between screenshot or video. At the top of the Snipping Tool window, you'll now see two icons. Camera icon for screenshots, video camera icon for screen recording. Click on the one you want to use. Part A. Taking screenshots. Step 3A. Pick a snip mode. Click the drop-down next to New. Choose your preferred mode. Rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, full screen snip. Step 4A. Capture the screenshot. After choosing your mode, click New. Your screen will dim drag to snip your desired area. The image will appear in the Snipping Tool editor. Step 5A. Annotate and save. Use the pen, highlighter, or eraser to mark up the image. Click the floppy disk icon to save, or use the copy icon to paste directly elsewhere. Part B. Recording a video with Snipping Tool. Step 3B. Switch to video mode. Click the video camera icon at the top of the app. Then click New to start selecting your recording area. Step 4B. Select area to record. Click and drag your mouse to draw the area of your screen you want to record. A small toolbar will appear. Click the Start Recording button. Step 5B. Record your screen activity. Now your recording has started. Perform your activity, tutorial, or demo. When you're done, click the Stop button on the floating toolbar. Step 6B. Save the video. Your video will open in the preview window. Click Save, choose your folder, and you're done. Note: video saves in MP4 format, making it easy to upload or edit later. Step 7. Bonus tip keyboard shortcut. For quick screenshots, press Windows plus Shift plus S. This opens the screen snip overlay immediately. The image copies to your clipboard no need to open the app. And that's how to use the snipping tool in Windows 11 for both screenshots and screen recording. It's simple, fast, and built right into your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Simple Step Tutorials, and tap the bell icon for more videos like this every week. Drop your questions or suggestions below. See you next time.